Third Symphony by Schubert here at 99.5 WCRB. The Chamber Orchestra of Europe was conducted by Claudio Abbado. Just about 11 o'clock. Good morning. I'm Roger Pierce. Glad to be with you on another hot summer day in Boston. Going to be a warm one again, and more of the greatest music ever made to keep things cool. We'll hear from Andrew Parrott and the Boston Early Music Festival Orchestra. They're going to perform Bach, and you won't want to miss that. We'll also hear an oboe duet between Anthony Camden and Julia Girdwood. And Chopin is next, as well as our daily reminder to wash your hands with Handle. Tonight on WGBH2, visit the Golden City of 100 Spires with Rick Steves. Experience Prague's massive castle, beloved statue-lined bridge, historic Jewish quarter, and thrilling 20th century history while enjoying its infectious love of music on Rick Steves Europe, tonight at 7:30 on WGBH2.
Classical Radio Boston is 99.5 WCRB, WCRB HD1 Lowell, Boston. Also on WGBH HD2 Boston, WCAI HD2 Woods Hole, Martha's Vineyard, WJMF, WJMF HD1 Smithfield, Providence, a service of Bryant University, the character of success, and at classicalwcrb.org. And I want to remind you, the Handle and Haydn Society and WCRB are teaming up to remind you to stay healthy and safe. Wash your hands. All the experts say one of the best things you can do to help stop the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Also one of the simplest, just wash your hands frequently for at least 20 seconds each time. Now 20 seconds doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're standing at the sink it can feel like an eternity. The Handle and Haydn Society, here to help. Along with WCRB, a group of Boston area leaders like John Santiago and Michelle Wu, we prepared a video series of 20 to 30 second clips of Handel's iconic water music as the perfect hand-washing soundtrack. You can find clips at our website, classicalwcrb.org, or on Twitter, our handle at 995WCRB. Pianist Jun Jun now with the Fourth Scherzo by Chopin.